your name and what do you do?
My name's Wayne Mitchell and I work at Chelsea and Westminster Hospital in the Department of Immunology. At the moment I'm a postdoctoral research fellow looking at the effects of ageing on the immune system and how as we get older the immune system doesn't work as effectively as we would like it to.
What does your job entail?
On a day-to-day basis we're looking at how we can convert technologies to understand how the immune system works and how we can find markers to best suggest how we can monitor someone's disease over time or the effect of their immune system over time.
Do you have to study a lot?
As a postdoc, that means I've studied for my initial degree, and I've also then studied a PhD, which is a Doctor of Philosophy, primarily focusing on scientific investigation, and I did that at UCL as well as here at Imperial.
What's the pay like?
I wouldn't necessarily say we get lots of money, but it's enough to live on, and you can have a fairly good standard of living by being a postdoctoral scientist. And there's lots of different types of positions which you can go for being a postdoctoral scientist. It doesn't necessarily mean you have to work in a hospital. You can also work in industry, or you can work, if you like writing for example, you can work as a scientific editor on magazines or even in the national newspapers. So it opens your horizons to the types of jobs which you can actually do.
What do you like doing in your spare time?
To relax, I go and I play badminton, I cycle. I've got two twin girls who are aged about 2, just over 2. We like going for long walks in the park and playing by the river and stuff like that. And that's what we do at the weekends. And cycling, they like cycling. Well, I cycle and they just tag along behind in their trolley. But they enjoy themselves as well.
What were your favourite subjects?
My favourite subject was maths, performing arts a little bit, and most of the sciences, chemistry and biology. Not too much on the physics, but chemistry and biology as well.
Great.
And PE, physical education. It's always good to stay fit, I think, as well. So,
what do you like most about your job?
It's the people, really. The science is good, but it's also being able to have people discuss your ideas with other people, and then seeing those ideas actually come about. You have an idea, you investigate the idea, and then you see that the idea which you originally had was actually true, and being able to discuss that with lots of people who some help you, some may not help you, but being able to make those connections. And it's worldwide, it doesn't necessarily have to be here in England or here at Imperial College. You can discuss your ideas with people on the other side of the world, and you get to meet them at conferences. So it does involve a good amount of travel as well. So I've seen Poland, I've seen Australia, I've seen America, many parts of Europe, just because I've been involved with scientific investigation. So it's, in that sense, it's really good fun. And most of the scientists, we're not all geeks, we do actually have a good social life as well.
Would you recommend your job?
Yeah, I think so. I've always been interested in science, interested in how the body works and how we could possibly try our best to understand what's happening so that we can help others to be able to have a better standard of life. I'm fortunate I don't have any disabilities as far as I know, but I know that within my family diabetes is prevalent. So I'd like to be able to one day say I help to prevent myself or others developing diabetes, and by using my scientific knowledge, hopefully one day that might be true, but we'll have to wait and see.